Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to solve a 2x2 just like a 3x3 with beginner's method. So let's get right into the video. So you will solve it just like a 3x3. The steps are same. You first have to solve the first layer, and in the 2x2 there is no second layer. So you have to solve the first layer and then the last layer. So now I will scramble the cube. Now I have scrambled the cube and let's get started. So as in 3x3, you will solve the white cross first and then the yellow corners. So in this there is no white cross, so you will start solving with the white corners. So in 3x3, you would first choose a white corner and then solve it using the right alg. But in a 2x2's beginner's method, you will choose two white corners and then solve them intuitively, which means you won't use any algs for that. So what white corners should you choose? You should choose two white corners so that when they are joined like this color would be the same. So they will like form a bar. You can see this white bar. So to find white corners like that, you should choose one random white corner. So I chose this white corner, and in this corner you will have white, green and red. So excluding white, you can choose any of these two colors. So I choose green. Now we have to choose another white corner having green color in it. So in this white corner you have green. So after you spotted the two white corners with green or any other color same, you have to join them intuitively so that they will make a bar. In this the case is so easy, so I can just join them by doing a move like that, and there's a bar. So sometimes you won't get to solve it in one move, so I will show you another example which will take 2 or 3 moves. So I again chose the same corners, white, green and red, so I choose green color, and in this white corner there is green, so I choose these two. So now I have to join these. I can't join them by like doing a move like this or like this, so you have to do some certain moves. So you can do it intuitively, you can do it on your own. So for this I can move this white here so that this remains here and this comes here, and I can just move this down. You can move however you want, as you did not solve anything before, so that it won't get messed up. So now we got a bar here. So as you have finished two white corners, it's time to solve the third white corner. So you have to keep this bar bottom. You can keep it in the front or at the back, you can keep however you want. And in the top layer, just like in the 3x3, you have to find one white corner. So I found this, and in this white corner you have blue and orange. So from now you will be using the right alg to solve the first layer. So as you have spotted this, you have to insert this in its spot. So to locate its spot, you have to, here you can choose orange, you can choose any color, but I am choosing orange, and see if orange color is in the bar which we have kept it bottom. So here is orange, but sometimes when you choose in blue, if you don't find blue in the bottom bar, then you can choose the other color which is orange and check if this color is in the bottom bar. So now you have this white corner here with orange and orange in this bar. So what you should do is, you have to bring this corner opposite to this orange color. So even if the orange is like this or this or this corner should be diagonal to the orange color. So now as you kept this cube like this, you have to do it just like the 3x3. You have to do the right alg now to insert this corner in here. So now do the right alg, which goes like this: R, U, R prime, U prime. So you have to check. So this corner is solved. You have solved 3 white corners, and now it's time for the last white corner. So you have to check for in the top layer for the last white corner. So the last white corner is here, and there is only one slot, so you don't have to do anything. So you have to bring this above the slot where it should go. So this is the slot where it should go, and the corner is here, and do the right alg. R, U, R prime, U prime. Check if it's solved, not yet. So R, U prime, U prime. Check if it's solved, no. R, U, R prime, U prime. Check. So the last corner is solved, and you have to solve the first layer. It's very simple, right? So now, as you have learned how to solve the first layer in the 2x2, let's get into learning the the last layer. So while solving the last layer, you have to keep the white on bottom. And now you have to choose one random yellow corner. You can choose any of the four. So I am going to choose this. So in this corner there are yellow, green and red. So in all these corners, yellow is common. So as you have chosen the yellow, green and red corner piece, you have to bring this corner piece over the white, green and red corner piece, like doing a U or a U2 move, whichever you have to do. So by doing this while solving, you can see that when you twist the corner, don't twist it while solving. I am just showing this. So when you twist it, you can see that this red matches with red and green matches green. So as you have took this above the white corner, now you have to check if all the corners be the same. So as this is in the correct position, I am going to check this. So in this, blue and red are here, and in this, blue and red are here. So I can say that when I twist this corner, blue matches with blue and red will match with red. So this is correct and this is correct. Now for this, and here orange and blue, orange and green. So it's already twisted, and you can see that orange does not match with orange, because orange is not here, green is here, and here blue is not here, orange is here. So this is not in the right position. So if one corner is not in the right position and two of the corners are in the right position, then the other corner will also not be in the right position. So you can see that here green and orange are here, but here orange and green are here. So when you twist it, it would not match. So we can conclude that two corners are not matching. So as you have found two not matching corners, you have to hold these two corners in the right side, so that one is in the right front and the other is in the right back. So now holding the cube like this, you can do it just like the 3x3. So start by doing the right alg 3 times. R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. So you have done the right alg 3 times, and now you have to do a cube rotation to the right like this, and now do the left alg 3 times, which goes like this: L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U prime, L, U. Now after doing this, you have to choose a corner which is a yellow corner. So I am choosing this yellow, red and blue. So this has to go over the white, red and blue corner. So as I bought this here, you can see that when it's twisted, blue will match and red will match. Blue is here, red is here, red is here. And check if all the corners are matching. So now for the final step. So now you have to orient the yellow corners. To do so, you have to now hold white on top. So these unsolved corners will be on the bottom and the white will be on the top. So you have to, you can say yellow corner is unsolved when yellow is not facing bottom. So here you can see that they are facing the side or towards you or to the back. So these are not solved. So you have to choose an unsolved yellow corner. For example, this is an unsolved yellow corner because the yellow is not facing bottom, it's facing this side. So even if it's facing this side or if it's facing this side, it's an unsolved. Only if it's facing the bottom side, it's a solved. So hold this unsolved yellow corner in the bottom right like this, and now do the right alg, which goes like this: R, U, R prime, U prime. Now you can see that the cube is little bit messed up, but don't worry, you can actually fix it while solving. So after you are done it, check if the corner is in the position. No, it's not. So do the right alg again, R U R prime U prime. So now the yellow is facing down, so you have solved one yellow corner. Now you have to do a D or a D prime U. So here I'm gonna do a D move, but like this. Do not move the top layer, move only the bottom layer. So hold the top layer and then move the bottom layer. So after doing a D move, if the corner you get is an unsolved corner, then you have to hold it in the bottom right and do the right alg again, R U R prime U prime. Check if it's solved. It's not solved, so do it again, R U R prime U prime. Check if it's solved. So this is solved. So now you have solved two of them. So after doing this, you again have to do a D move without moving the top layer. So after doing it, check if you have got the unsolved yellow corner. So if so, then hold it in the bottom right and do the right alg again, R U R prime U prime. Check if it's solved. No. R U R prime U prime. Check, not solved. R U R prime U prime. Checking, not solved yet. R U R prime U prime. Now check. So this is solved. So now we have solved 3 of the yellow corners and there is only one yellow corner left. So do not move the top layer or rotate the cube, just hold it like this and do a D move again. Do not move the top layer. After you're doing the D move, so you will get an unsolved yellow corner. Now do the right alg, keep it in the bottom right and do the right alg, R U R prime U prime, not solved. R U R prime U prime, not solved. R U R prime U prime, not yet solved. R U R prime U prime. So this is solved. After that, you could get the cube solved like this, or it would be like this. So you have to just align the layers so that the cube will be solved. So guys, congratulations for solving a 2x2. So guys, that's all for this video. So if you have learned how to solve a 2x2 and understood it, give this video a big thumbs up. And also please be free to leave any doubts in the comment section below and I will answer them. So please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and also don't forget to hit the bell icons for more notifications. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.